Good morning, folks. Today is Wednesday, August 17th, and we are off to the meadows down here at our resort to grab our souvenir refillable mugs, and then we are heading straight to, we're gonna come back here, and then we're gonna go to Disney Springs, and then off to one of the water parks, and then later today we will be going back to Magic Kingdom. We have 3 fast passes for, I believe, the Peter Pan ride, Pirates of the Caribbean, and I think the Belle story, something like that. And then we have dinner reservations at the 1900 Park Fair in the Grand Floridian, and then we're gonna go back to Magic Kingdom to catch the Wishes fireworks show, because we didn't get to see that last night.
So we just got our souvenir refillable mugs. If you happen to purchase the dining plan with your, if you're gonna book, or if you're gonna stay at one of the hotel resorts here at Disney World, you can get these free refillable mugs. You can actually refill any cold or hot beverages except the slushes at any of the Disney World resort hotels except the parks.
Alright, so let's go to Disney Springs. Where are we going?
Disney Springs!
Where are we going?
Disney Springs!
Where are we going?
Disney Springs! Yeah.
That was so much fun. We're gonna do it again.
Yeah.
are going back to our cabin now. Shower and then off to the Magic Kingdom again. We have 3 fast passes today. Dinner at the 1900 Park Fair. Go back to the Magic Kingdom for the fireworks. So we're going to Magic Kingdom and I am so excited about the fireworks tonight. See you at Magic Kingdom! That's why. Yeah. Thank you. Have fun. We're on our way to the Pirates of the Caribbean ride because we missed Peter Pan, and then we rescheduled Enchanted Tales with Belle later tonight after the fireworks display.
Pirate's curse. Proceed. No, por favor, no! Bring up me on show. Yo ho, pirates love for me.
Don't tell Giselle, but I like
I'm gonna tell her. You first. Bye-bye.